1 in 10 under 18-year-olds will experience a diagnosable mental illness in any given year. When young people need support for their mental health, one of the places they go to is CAMHS. This stands for Child and Adolescent Mental Health Services. In most parts of the country, CAMHS goes up to the age of 18 years old. Young people can go to CAMHS for a variety of reasons, including if they're experiencing a mental illness like depression or anxiety, if they're struggling at school, or if they need support. CAMHS can help in a variety of ways. They can provide talking therapies, including counselling and cognitive behavioural therapy, medication if they feel it would benefit the young person, and stays within hospital if their mental illness is more severe and they require extra support. The problem is, what if young people don't feel comfortable seeking help for their mental health? There are many reasons why young people may feel this way. This includes having a poor relationship with their family, not wanting to be a burden to those around them, or the stigma surrounding mental illness. All of these reasons, amongst many others, can lead young people to not opening up about their feelings to those around them. From a study conducted of 12 to 25-year-olds, only 25% think young people can go to CAMHS without parents knowing. Despite this, 87% think young people should be able to. There are many reasons why it can be helpful for the young person's family to know they're going to CAMHS. Their family can support them in what they're going through, and CAMHS can help the families to better understand the mental health issues that their child is experiencing. The issue is, however, that whether parents are informed that their child is seeking help from CAMHS should be decided by the young person themselves, if they have the capacity to make that decision, because they know their situation better than others. There are many barriers currently stopping young people going to CAMHS confidentially. These include appointments clashing with school, with young people unable to leave school without their parents being informed, the administrative process where letters are sent in the post, which isn't always confidential for young people, and some CAMHS practitioners insisting on parents being informed that their child is accessing the service. Support for Us is a campaign led by Sam Barakat tackling the issues young people experience when accessing CAMHS. This campaign is looking at 3 key issues. Accessibility. Making sure that young people are able to easily access the service. This includes the location of appointments, with many young people currently having to travel far to get to appointments, and the referral process, which isn't always easy and straightforward. Confidentiality. Making the services confidential for young people so that they are able to seek help without their parents knowing if they don't wish for them to know. Where confidentiality has to be broken for the safety of the young person or those around them, doing so in a way that causes the least distress to that young person. Awareness. Working with schools and youth centres to raise awareness of mental health, mental illness and what help is available if someone needs support for their mental health. This is so that they know how to access their local CAMHS or other support that is available to them. If these 3 issues are addressed, more young people will feel equipped to take their first steps to get help or support for their mental health. A petition has been launched so that issues surrounding the confidentiality and accessibility of CAMHS can be addressed by the NHS and within Parliament. For this petition to be discussed within Parliament, 100,000 signatures are required. Please show your support by heading over to www.supportforus.co.uk and signing the petition. Spread the word by sharing the petition on social media and amongst your friends and family to get more signatures. You can also write to your local MP asking them to support this petition. If you work within a CAMHS or a school and would like more information how Support for Us can improve the services you provide, please email info@supportforus.co.uk. If you have used CAMHS and would like to share your story, positive or negative, please email info@supportforus.co.uk or go to www.supportforus.co.uk/stories for more information. This can be completely anonymous.